Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to connect custom domain to Replit. So there is a step-by-step guide and make sure you will have logged in. So we will just move in the recent apps, and after, as you can see, there is a preview option for the loading your page. And when it's completely load, so we will just move in this option which is called publish. So just tap for publishing, and right now you will just have to purchase the plan, and you will be able to add a custom domain right over here. So what we're gonna do, you will just have to go the hostinger, and you will just also purchase the plan which is a 2.49 USDT, and you will be able to buy a domain from here, and you will just have to also buy the subscription from here, and simply just have to paste it here. This is the simplest way to connect custom domain to Replit in 2025. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.